Hello student, now we will discuss factors on which acceleration due to gravity small g depends. Factors on which acceleration due to gravity small g depends. The acceleration due to gravity small g depends upon the following factors. Number 1, altitude, that is height from the surface of earth. Number 2, depth from the surface of earth. Number 3, latitude or rotation of earth around its own axis. Number 4, shape of the earth. Now we will discuss second factor, depth from the surface of earth. Suppose this is the earth and capital M is mass of the earth and capital R is the radius of the earth. Take any point at a depth d below the surface of earth. Let an object of mass m is placed at a depth d below the surface of earth. So this is the object of mass m placed at a depth d below the surface of earth. Now suppose this is a shell of mass m. An object of mass m2 is placed in between it. Now as the gravitational field intensity inside the shell is 0, therefore gravitational force, that is net gravitational force between the object of masses m1, that is shell, and of mass m2 of the object is 0. Therefore this portion of the earth exert net force on the object of mass m is equal to 0. Therefore, according to Newton's law of gravitation, the gravitational force acting on the object due to earth is given by capital F is equal to capital G into capital M dash into small m upon R minus D whole square. Put this question number 1. M dash is the mass of shaded portion of the earth. This is the shaded portion of the earth and M dash is its mass, and R minus D is the radius of shaded portion of the earth which exert gravitational force on the object of mass small m. Now mass of shaded portion of earth is given by m dash is equal to mass of the earth upon volume of earth multiplied by volume of shaded portion of the earth. So m dash is equal to capital M upon 4 pi by 3 r cube multiplied by 4 pi by 3 r minus d whole cube. Now 4 pi by 3 cancel each other. Therefore m dash is equal to capital M upon r cube multiplied by r minus d whole cube. Put this question number 2. Now from equation 1 and equation 2 we get F is equal to capital G capital M into small m upon r cube into r minus d whole square multiply by r minus d whole cube. Now r minus d whole square cancel with r minus d whole square. We get in the numerator only r minus d. Therefore F is equal to capital G into capital M into small m upon capital R cube into R minus D. Put this question number 3. Let G dash be the acceleration due to gravity at a depth d from the surface of Earth. Then, according to Newton's second law of motion, the force acting on the object is given by F is equal to mg dash. Put this question number 4. From question 3 and question 4, we get m dash is equal to capital G into capital M into small m upon R cube into R minus D. Now, small m cancel each other. Therefore, we get G dash is equal to capital G capital M upon R cube into R minus D. That is, G dash is equal to capital G capital M upon R cube into R minus D, or by rearranging, G dash is equal to capital G capital M upon R square into R multiplied by R minus D. Again, by rearranging, we get G dash is equal to capital G capital M upon R square multiplied by R minus D upon R, or G dash is equal to small g into R minus D upon capital R within the bracket, because capital G capital M upon capital R square is equal to small g is the acceleration due to gravity on the surface of Earth. Therefore, we get G dash is equal to small g into within the bracket R upon R minus D upon R. R and R cancel each other. Therefore, it become equal to G into 1 minus D upon R, or G dash is equal to G into 1 minus D upon R within the bracket. Put this question number 5. Now, special case, at the center of Earth, D is equal to capital R, radius of Earth. Therefore, from question 5, we get G dash is equal to G into 1 minus R upon R. Again, R and R cancel each other. Therefore, G dash is equal to G into 1 minus 1 within the bracket. 1 and 1 cancel each other. So, it become equal to G into 0. Therefore, G dash is equal to 0, because 0 into something is 0. Therefore, at the center of Earth, acceleration due to gravity is 0, or weight of the object is 0 at the center of Earth. Hence, acceleration due to gravity at depth d from the surface of Earth is G dash is equal to G into within the bracket 1 minus D upon R. So, this is the formula to find the acceleration due to gravity at a depth d from the surface of Earth. That is, formula to find acceleration due to gravity at a depth d from the surface of Earth. G dash is equal to G into 1 minus D upon R. So, thank you very much.